To accompany a letra por bulería, I think is one of the most difficult to understand and to do in flamenco guitar. Basically because we have a lot of styles. So we have Bulería de Jerez, Bulería de Letra, Bulería de Cádiz. Into Bulería de Jerez we have several styles on the same, like a sub-styles. So I'm gonna try to explain one of the most typical Bulerías de Jerez. This is the most simple letra por bulería. If we can't understand this, it's easier to understand the other ones. Basically, in a letra we have 3 verses. Let's use as example this. Pobrecita de mi mare, le han robado de la azotea su delantal de lunares. Pretty easy, right? But the trick is the way to sing it. For example, normally they're gonna sing Pobrecita de mi mare. We have a respiro. Respiro means like a short rest for the singer. Then again the first one, then we have the second one and third one, and then we wanna repeat second and third one. Pobrecita de mi mare, pobrecita de mi mare, que la han robado de la azotea, su delantal de lunares. Que la han robado de la azotea, su delantal de lunares. Compás por bulería is all the time 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and. We have an accent on 7 and 9, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the compass. So for this example, we want to do the change on 8 and 10 always. Let's start with the guitar. Let's play in this key. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pobrecita de mi madre. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Pobrecita de mi madre. Let's do this for the ending. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for example, pobrecita de mi madre, que la han robado de la azotea, su delantal de lunares. Que la han robado de la azotea, su delantal de play in another way. B flat, C, B flat again to the ending, like a abanico from the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7. Pobrecita de mi madre. Pobrecita de mi madre, que la han robado de la azotea, su delantal de this is just an example. I'm trying to do it as easy as possible, so you can develop. If you want to develop little by little, you can push that red button. Subscribe and give me a like if you want to know more about flamenco guitar. In the description, I'm gonna leave a link to my music. I hope you can enjoy. I think I made music about or around the flamenco guitar. Some songs are more traditional, some songs are more experimental. See you next week with another video. Bye.